Hi, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida, and today I want to talk to you about the Undercover Luxe. This is a painted cover, and we just installed it on this really nice Toyota Tacoma. As you can see, it's nice black. One thing I like about Undercover is they do use a DuPont paint, and I tell you, paint is extremely important when you do a painted cover. You want a high quality paint. As you can see, they match it up very well. Now, best time to get a painted cover is when your truck is new. A lot of people don't realize the older your truck gets, the paint ages. So if you get your truck, get your painted cover right away. This way they age together. So let's go ahead and open this up here. Now these do have a very nice hydraulics, and it does come with a little LED light inside, and at night it actually is very bright. Now one thing about this, if you look underneath here, it's got a really nice support system. In the videos sometimes you'll see like 10 people standing on this. I don't know if I would do that, but the whole idea, this does hold quite a bit of weight. And I do like the finished interior, because a lot of times on the fiberglass models, they don't put anything on in here. It's just, you see the bare fiberglass, and it's just not a real clean look. What's nice about this matches the Toyota's bed. If you look here, it's got a nice look. They all match together. So I do like having this. Another nice thing, if you look here, all the way along here, this is your seal. Now, when it comes to covers and water, they're not waterproof. None of them are waterproof. This is the closest thing you're going to get to having a waterproof cover. The main reason is the edge of this does come over and sits right about here. So not unless you take a hose and you stick it up on the edge here, you're not getting any water in here. So now, of course, when we do the installation here, we actually do add a little extra foam. If you look in the corner there, that's usually a big gap, and you see there's a nice little piece of foam in there now. Now the directions do not show us putting foam in there, but from my 20 years experience, that helps the customer. It does take longer, because you actually have to remove this piece to put that piece of foam in there, and it adds a few minutes of your work. But from the customer's point of view, he's going to have less problems down the road with water. Another nice thing about this, and one of the best selling parts about this, is the weight. Now, a lot of fiberglass covers can be 150 pounds and up. This one's probably about 55 to 60 pounds. Less weight is better for you. It's just simple fact is, you have less weight on vehicle, the gas mileage is better. Another nice feature about having less weight, if you ever want to take this thing off, basically a little clip around here, this locks in here, and then you just unscrew this, no tools required. You can take this off and literally hang it on the wall. They give you the hooks, and they even put the holes in here to hang it on your garage wall or something. Real smart design. So again, you need two people to take it off, because it's not heavy, it's big. So you can take it off. So if one day the customer has a big couch or an all-terrain vehicle and he needs all the bed, he can do that, which he might not be able to do with a fiberglass cover. So this kind of solves that problem. So again, within literally 5 minutes, you take it off, because the brackets all stay on. And when to put it back on, you just slide back in there, you line this up, you screw it in, these clip back on. 15 minutes on and off, not a big deal. Real smart design, very user-friendly for the customer, and it's just a great product for water. And of course, the most important thing I like about this, it's very easy to use. Look at that. Very simple, straightforward. And you can see it has a wonderful closing, and notice there's only one lock. Some of the cheaper models have locks on each side. That means you have to lock it here, then you have to walk over and lock it here. Well, this one has it set up with one lock. Just saves you time opening and closing, not having two locks. Another nice thing they have done, they put a nice little ground effect, not ground effect, but like a spoiler effect here, and they did some styling to this that gives it a really nice look. Instead of being just flat and plain, they said, you know what, let's make this a little bit nicer. I love the way it looks with this truck. I wasn't planning to do a video, but after I put this on, I said, you know what, let's do a video. This looks great. Again, if you like what you see, hit the like button. We appreciate that. Of course, if you like the content that we're always putting up, please subscribe to our channel. And of course, if you do want to purchase this, please contact us at the store, or just go onto our website. You can order this one online as long as you know all the measurements of your vehicle and paint code. But if in doubt, just give us a call. Again, this is Chris with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida. Thank you.